Hello everyone. Today we will take a look at the DIY proof of concept project Fastest Finger First, which is published on electronicsforyou.com. The link to the project is in the description of this video. Have you ever seen a quiz show and wondered how they find out who answers first? That's what Fastest Finger First indicators, that is FFFIs, do. FFFIs checks who presses the button first with great accuracy. In a fast quiz, even a tiny difference matters. This system ensures everything is fair by showing the first person to press without any mix-ups. It's all about pressing a button quickly. But here's the important part. Once someone presses, others are blocked. No ties, no confusion, just clear results. The usual setup works for up to 8 teams, but the system can be changed to handle over 30 players if needed. When someone presses, their team's name or number lights up instantly, making the game more exciting. This project can be made by electronics hobbyists, engineering students, makers, quiz event organizers, and electronics professionals. Anyone familiar with Arduino programming and circuit design can assemble it, while those with more experience can modify it for larger setups. Ready to find out how it works? This is our prototype. You can see on pressing the buttons a team's number is displayed on the LED display. Since Team 2 did it first, hence, Team 2 is displayed on the LED display. Amazing, right? But how to make this? You can make this with very few components. Let's take a look. Arduino Mega is chosen for its large number of input pins, allowing it to handle 8 or more players. Its processing power ensures quick response time. P10 LED display dot matrix LED display is used to show the winning player's number in real time. It connects to the Arduino Mega via SPI pins for efficient communication. Push buttons are used for each player. The system detects which button is pressed first and locks out the others. Resistors function as pull-up resistors, keeping the Arduino input pins high and preventing false signals. Apart from these, a breadboard and a few jumper wires are used. To assemble the circuit, follow the circuit diagram. Arrange all the components including Arduino, display, push buttons, and resistors on the breadboard. Follow the circuit diagram to assemble the circuit. Once the circuit is assembled, we will write code on Arduino IDE for the Arduino Mega board. In the code, first define all the header files necessary to work with the external peripherals used. Then define all the pin modes to which external components are connected in the setup function. Then in an infinite loop, keep on checking which team pressed the button first and accordingly flash the result over the display. Now select the correct port and board to upload the code. Once the code is uploaded, turn on the power supply and you can see the winning team number on the display. Voila, it works. So, what did you learn? Use Arduino Mega to read button presses and show results. Connect and control an LED display for real-time feedback. Interested in developing your own fastest finger first? Then click on the link provided in the description of this video. Do like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more such DIY proof of concept videos. Thank you.